Emma had been learning English for a few months. Every evening, she practiced by chatting in a language app. One night, she received a message from a stranger named Alex.
Hi, Emma. I noticed you're really good at English. Want to practice together?
Emma was curious, but careful. They started chatting daily, sharing simple stories about their lives. Alex was funny and kind, and Emma looked forward to their conversations. One day, Alex sent a mysterious message.
Meet me at the old library at 7 p.m. I have something important to tell you.
Emma felt nervous but excited. She decided to go. At the library, Emma waited near the ancient shelves. Suddenly, Alex appeared with a big smile and a small box. "I wrote a story for you," he said.
In English, to thank you for helping me learn your language.
Emma opened the box. Inside was a notebook full of handwritten stories and notes. Alex asked shyly.
Will you keep practicing English with me? And maybe more?
Emma smiled. The mysterious message turned into the beginning of something beautiful: friendship, learning, and maybe love. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories.